my channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. तो बारिश हो रही है एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक हैविंग चाइनीज़. इनफैक्ट बहुत दिनों से ऐसे मन कर रहा है कि कुछ चाइनीज़ हो जाए. सो माई मॉम सेड दैट वील मेक हाका नूडल्स एट होम. इट्स नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट शी इज़ मेकिंग इट एट होम. बचपन से ही हम लोग घर पे ही वी मेक चाइनीज़ एंड स्पेशली नूडल्स. And especially Hakka noodles, and that too the veg ones are my favorite. So I told mom that let's make those, and today we are making them. So I'll show you the recipe. A little bit preparation is required for that. So I'll show you all of that, and you'll believe me then that it's really very simple to make it at home, and again very healthy and at the same time very hygienic. So yes, let's check out the recipe, and I hope you like it. So here we have taken water in a big vessel, and it's boiling really well. Now to it we have added a little bit of salt. So the water needs to be double the quantity of the noodles. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे noodles, और noodles को approximately 5 to 7 minutes हमें 80% cook करना है. So you can see they have doubled up in size. Now we'll be draining out all the water from the noodles. And इसके बाद we'll put cold water on the noodles to stop the carryover cooking. Now to the noodles we'll add 1 teaspoon of oil ताकि ये noodles एक दूसरे से चिपके ना. We've taken 1 medium size onion and sliced it thinly. And here we have taken 7 to 8 garlic cloves जिनको हमने finely chop कर लिया है. We had taken 1 green chili. अगर आपको ज़्यादा spicy अच्छा लगता है तो you can take more chilies. Here we have taken a carrot and peeled it off. और इसके हमने पतले पतले जूलियंस करने हैं, एंड जो बीच का पोर्शन है विच इज़ थिक वी नीड टू रिमूव दैट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी हैव टू स्लाइस द कैरेट थिनली. Now similarly the cabbage also we'll slice it finely, and also the capsicum. So here I've taken 1 capsicum, और इसके बीच का जो सीड्स है और जो बिग पोर्शन होता है बीच में वो आप निकाल दें. और यहाँ पे यू कैन सी आई हैव ऑल्सो टेकन ग्रीन पीस विच आर फ्रोजन. यू कैन पुट एनी वेजिटेबल्स ऑफ योर चॉइस. बेबी कॉर्न, ऑलिव्स, jalapenoes also taste good. Now in a big pan or in a wok, take some oil. Here I have taken olive oil, and to it we'll add garlic, and this is grated ginger. और उसके साथ हम डालेंगे इसमें ग्रीन चिलीज़. इसको हल्का सा हम स्टर कर लेंगे ताकि इसका जो अरोमा है वो अच्छे से रिलीज़ हो जाए, एंड दे टर्न अ लिटिल गोल्डन ब्राउन. नाउ वील पुट द अनियंस. And always remember that in Chinese, we need to cook all the vegetables or stir the vegetables on high flame, because the vegetables need to maintain their crunch. They should not get very soft. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा salt ताकि ये onions जो है वो जल्दी से cook हो जाए, थोड़े से soft हो जाए. But again, we don't need to cook them a lot, and they should not change the color. अब इसमें हम बाकी के vegetables डाल देंगे. So here we have put carrots and stir them on high flame. So continuously the flame is on high. Now we've put capsicum, handful of green peas. Now, if you are a non-vegetarian, you can also make non-veg noodles like chicken noodles, egg noodles. Now we have put cabbage over here. Give it a nice stir. Now here we have put 1 teaspoon red chili powder. This is because we like our noodles a little spicy. You can put as per your taste, as per the spice you want. Now cover it with the lid for only 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the vegetables. Here we have put red chili sauce, which is easily available in the market. Again, put it as per your taste and preference. After this, we have put soy sauce. Now soy sauce is quite salty, so put it carefully. Now to it, we are adding the noodles. So make sure that the pan or the wok which you're using, it allows you to stir the noodles well. It should be that big. Now we need to gently stir the noodles up and down. Remember that use 2 spoons so that you can flip them gently and the noodles won't break. अच्छे से मसाला जो है, वेजिटेबल्स जो है वो मिक्स हो रहे हैं and they're coating the noodles really well. Now here we have put the masala which was there already in the packet of the noodles. Now this is optional. If you don't have it, that's also fine. Stir the noodles again well so that all the masala gets mixed into the noodles. Now this masala gives it a distinct taste, and the noodles are now ready to be served. Serve them hot and enjoy them.